All right, so this problem so that kind of format. So our known is 45 grams of C2H4. Our unknown, moles of CO2. Okay, and keeping this formula in mind, okay, using the formula from the slide, start with your known 45 grams of C2H4 over 1, first parenthesis. If I have grams of C2H4 up here, I need to have grams of C2H4 down here. Line up your units. And then look at your formula. We need the molar mass is what's going to go here. What goes on top? 1 mole of C2H4. Next parenthesis. We'll come back to the numbers here. It says moles of known. What's my known? C2H4. And notice, if I have moles of C2H4 up here, moles of C2H4 should be down here. So like you could use that to help you remember what goes where. And then formula says moles of unknown goes on the top. So moles of CO2 goes on the top, right? So as for the numbers, the formula says molar mass. So we need periodic table. We need to find the molar mass of C2H4. So really quick, C2H4, I have C and I have H, right? How many C's do I have? 2. How many H's do I have? 4. Multiply that by the atomic mass. What's the atomic mass of carbon? 12. What's the atomic mass of hydrogen? 1. That's where I'm getting those numbers from. So 12, 1, 4. 12 times 2 is 24. What do I do with these two numbers? Add them together. So we get 28 grams per mole, right? So 28 is a number that's going to go there. Now, where do I get these numbers from? That's where we have to use the coefficients, big numbers in front, from the chemical reaction. So I'm going to look for C2H4. What's the number in front? Even though there's nothing there, how many are there? 1. Look for CO2. What's the number in front? 2. Plug that into a calculator. How do I plug that into a calculator? Even onliners, you would do the, oh, here's my calculator. Do the same thing. Plug it in exactly as you see it. So remember, 45 divided by 1. 45 divided by 1. Open parenthesis. Oop, I forgot the 45. Open parenthesis. 1 divided by 28. Close. Open next one. 2 divided by 1. Enter. So, what's my answer? 3 point, let's do 2 decimal places, 21. Whatever's up here is going to be your unit, moles of CO2. That's my answer. Also, for pre-APers that are probably watching as well, another way you can type this in, multiply the top, enter, divide by the bottom. So, 45, you should get the same thing. 45 times 2, enter, divided by, in parentheses, sorry, 28. Oh, well, you don't need to do it in parentheses, only one number. You get the same answer. So, either way you do it in, put it in the calculator, works. Hope that helps.